friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Welcome to the next series video on chapter integer from class 6 NCERT mathematics. In my last two videos, especially last two videos already, I have uploaded videos on calculation of integers, means how addition of integers and subtraction of integers. You can say the sign rules of sign at the time of addition and subtraction of integers. And now this video is also same as calculation of integers, means in this video I am going to do some more examples. I am going to solve some more problems regarding this additions and subtraction of integers. One by one I will solve it. Calculation of integers, subtraction and addition. In a standard 6, only two calculations operations are to be do. One is addition and another one is subtractions. And at the time of addition or subtractions, you have to closely view, you have to carefully look towards its sign rules. Means at the time of a positive integer with a positive integer, at the time of addition, here again I repeat it, at the time of addition, when you are going to add a positive with a positive integers, then your result is a positive integer. Otherwise, negative integer with another negative integer, your result is also a negative integer. But in opposite case, means when you are going to positive with a negative integer or negative with a positive integer, then it depends upon minus or plus, means here the result may be positive integer or negative integer. Then how it is possible, how could it possible? Look here, at the time of different signs additions, at the time of when you are going to add a positive with a negative or negative with a positive integers, in this case first you have to follow the numeric value. If the numeric value is greater, it doesn't matter about its sign. Always a positive number, a positive integer is greater than negative integer, as per the number system. But at the time of addition of positive with a negative or negative with a positive number, first you have to compare its numerical value. Numerical value means, suppose it is a number -5, then minus is the sign and 5 is the numerical value. -5 is a negative integer, yes, it is a negative integer, but in this case minus is a sign and 5 is a numerical value. So at the time of opposite sign operational calculation, first you have to compare its numerical value, and the highest numerical value contains which sign. The highest numeric value contains which sign, the resulting answer, the additional answer, the addition of two integers will be of the same sign. If the negative integer has highest numerical value, has larger numerical value, then yes, then positive integer, if a negative integer has higher numerical value than the other integer, then the answer is a negative integer. Otherwise, if a positive integer having highest numerical value, then the answer is a positive integer. And at the time of subtraction of integer means it is a special type of addition where you have to change only the sign of the number which is to be subtract from the another number. Okay, otherwise it is simple as addition of integers. You have to follow the same rule, you have to follow the sign rules. Okay, whatever now I say before some seconds. Okay, subtraction is a special type of addition. And one more thing, the special thing about subtraction of integers, that first you have to change the sign of the number, you have to change the sign of the integers, positive integer or negative integers. You have to change the sign. If there is a positive integer, after sign change it will become a negative integer, and if it is a negative integer, then after sign change it will become a positive integer. So first you have to change the sign of the integer which is to be subtract. So look here, suppose this is a minus b, this b is to be subtract from a, so you have to change the sign of this number. Okay, this place number, you have to change the sign of this place number. Okay, And then similarly, as additions, simply you can add these numbers, these integers. Okay, now in this video I am going to do some examples. So let's start. Look here, first example is 3 minus 5 plus 7. Look here, there are three integers. 3, no signs means it is a positive 3. 5 with minus sign, so this is minus 5. And then plus 7. So at the time of calculation of any integer, first look here, there is 3 terms. In my before cases already we have done in last 2 videos, we have 2 terms, means 2 numbers you have to add or you have to subtract. But in this case there are 3 numbers, there are 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. So first you have to make a group. You have to make a group of same integers, same signs, means there are positive integers and negative integers. Look here, 3 is a positive integer, 7 is a positive integer, and minus 5, where minus 5 means minus 5 is a negative integer. In this case you have to make a group of same signs. Here there are 2 types of integer, you know, there is 3 plus 7 then minus 5. Look here, 3 plus 7 minus 5. Now it is easy for you, this is 10 and then minus 5, which is equal to 5. So first you have to make a group of same sign. Here they both are of positive signs and one is negative sign, negative integer. Then first you add the positive numbers, 3 plus 7 then minus 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Look here, there are 4 integers, plus 12, no signs means it is plus 12, this is minus 28, then plus 8, then minus 34. So in this case, look here, from these 4, 2 are of positive integers and another 2 are negative integers. Here positive integers 12 and 8, and always priority for a positive integers. First you have to write a positive integers with no signs, because an expression starts from no signs means it is a positive integer, and always try to give priority to positive integers and first to write positive integers in an expression. So here you can write here, first group the same sign integers, means here it is a positive integer and it is a positive integer. You can write it 12 plus 8 and then minus 28 minus 34. And you know, of same sign, addition of same integers of same sign, just sign will remain same, means positive, no need to put a positive symbol, and then add the numeric, this is 20, and both are negative integers. In this case both are negative integers, and put the negative sign at the time of addition if both the integers are of same type, same sign integers, then put the sign and then add the numeric 28 minus 28 and 34. 28 and 34, 62. Look here, 20 minus 62. Now 20 is a positive integer and 62 is a negative integer. 20, this is plus 20 and this is minus 62, means it is a negative integer. And look here, compare 62 and 20. Compare 62, the numerical value 62 and 20. Which is greater? 62 is greater than 20. So sign of 62, sign of the highest numerical value is minus, and then subtract the numerical value, means 62 minus 20, which is equal to 42. So your answer is 42. Okay, look here, in both these cases, when same signs are to be calculated, you are going to add the numerical value, means here 28 34 is 62. But in the case of opposite signs, when both the integers are of opposite signs, means one is positive and another one is negative, in this case you just follow the subtraction of numerical value. You have to subtract the numerical value. Look here, in this case both are of same sign, so you just add the numeric, But after this step, when both the integers are of opposite signs, one is positive and another one is negative, in this case you just subtract the numeric, means 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Similarly, in our second case, 12 plus 8 is 20 and minus 28 minus 34. At the time of same signs, just add the numeric. Positive with positive, so add the numerical value. Here negative with a negative integer, both are negative integer, so just put the sign negative and then add the numerical value. But after this simplification, after this step, it will become complicated with a positive sign, with a positive integer, and another one is negative integer. So what to do? Now compare its numerical value. Numerical value, one is 20 and another one is 62. So you know 62 is greater than 20. Just forget the sign at the time of comparison of numerical value. You have to forget the sign. Just follow simple number, the simple whole number, simple real number. You can say the simple real number, counting number. This is 62 and this is 20. So you know 62 is larger than 20 and both are of opposite sign. So in this case, you have to subtract the numerical value. So answer is 42. So another clue for the calculation of integers, that at the time of same sign calculation, when you are going to calculate any integers, if both the integers, if all the integers are of same sign, then you have to put the sign and add the numerical value. But in the case of opposite signs, you have to subtract the numerical value. Okay. So these are two examples on calculation of integers, and in my next video we'll solve some more problems regarding calculation of integers, means especially addition and subtractions. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my video and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.